Hello, and welcome to TRADEPRO Academy. My name is George Papazov, and I'm the CEO and founder. At TRADEPRO Academy, our greatest priority is seeing you succeed in the markets, making this a long-term career that helps you live the life that you desire. How do we do this? We offer courses and a trading room environment to help you apply the material. In trading, it isn't about learning how to trade. It's more important having an environment to practice those techniques and to learn as you go in real time by being surrounded with professional traders. How do we know what professional traders trade like? Because we are professional traders ourselves or have been trained by them. The reality is, as a trader at home on your computer by yourself, you're trading against professionals. And if you don't know how to trade like them, you will be the money that we call donor money. So how do we do this training? First, we teach people how to trade futures. Futures trading allows you to identify big orders, big sellers, or buyers in the marketplace that give you a chance to get into a trade with high probability and low risk. Here you could spot order flow, which is the art of tracking big orders as they flow in and out of the market, and piggyback those orders to get yourself a quantifiable edge in your strategy. So yes, we give you a strategy, a checklist, a trading journal, a software template for you to load into your computer and get started with the exact same things we use. We give you these psychology, mindset, tips and tricks, and in addition, we give you a scaling plan so you know how to grow a small account into a big one. We give you everything you need, but that's not enough. Trading is not a business of knowledge, it's a business of doing. This is where our trading rooms come into play. In our trading room, we demonstrate these trade ideas and theories in live application when we trade ourselves with our own money and live trading accounts. See the material that you've learned being applied, knowing when to get into the market, when to get out, understanding what information we use to qualify and disqualify the trade, and really be a part of a community. It would feel like you're sitting in the middle of an institutional trading desk. With our options trading education, we also focus on order flow, and we're able to uncover shares and opportunities where big money is buying them and they're about to move. There are times when you could see a big move happen days before it does by looking and tracking the right information. The course will teach you how to do that, lays out a complete trading plan, workbook, and all the resources you need to start looking at the market through the lens of a professional trader. In addition to this, in the options trading room, Sarah and Victorio help apply these concepts and teach them to you in real time. They'll tell you when there's big buying, and they'll even tell you the share that's being bought. Further to that, you'll see them do the trade themselves, and they'll do a recap of why they did it, what the learning lesson was, and how to improve in the future. So as you can see, TRADEPRO Academy isn't just an academy. It's a place where you not only learn, but you get to collaborate with other traders in real time and learn from one another. Our strength is the institutional level education, but more importantly, our strength is each other. Join our community and trade with hundreds of people from around the world who are doing this on a daily basis. Learn what it is making them successful, learn the challenges they've overcome, and create your journey and craft it personalized for your goals to achieve the same things. By trading with the pros and trading against them, you're giving yourself a chance to win. So join us at TRADEPRO Academy and check out some of our courses. We'll show you some images of the dashboard and what you could see right now as I'm mentioning these points. But at the end of the day, I want you to think about this. What are you losing by not joining a professional community of like-minded traders? There's always an opportunity cost for everything. Get started today by joining our free community at community.tradeproacademy.com, and you'll join our live chat for free in real time, where I could talk to you along with Victorio, Mark, Sarah, and all of our other options traders. If you want to learn more about TRADEPRO Academy, visit our website, tradeproacademy.com. And as always, you're at the right place. We have a lot of YouTube content coming your way. So I look forward to seeing you in our YouTube videos. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you inside the room. Adios.